Hello friends, how are you? This is your friend Ashutosh from IIM Indore and welcome to your own channel Midu Study. Friends, this is the marketing module in which we are discussing the various concepts of marketing in a very simple manner. Till now we have already covered 8 concepts in our series and today is the 9th video in which we are going to discuss about customer relationship groups. In previous sessions we discussed about customer relationship management, why it is important, and I told you that there are certain groups of customer and we need to understand them. That is the objective of today's session. See, why it is important? Because there will be endless number of customers, but you need to maintain right relationship with the right customer. That needs to be your objective. So who is the right customer? That we will understand in our today's video. We can classify customers on 2 bases, and according to these 2 bases there will be 4 categories which are coming. First important base is potential profitability, that how much potential that particular customer is having to give you profits. And second is projected loyalty, how loyal that particular customer is to you. Now depending upon these 2 parameters we have 4 classes of customers. Let us understand in this particular graph. First particular category is of strangers who are low on both. So they are not loyal to you as well as not profitable. They are strangers. Okay. See, you can see we have put it in red color also because they are not good. Next is butterflies. Butterflies have good potential. Butterfly is known for its beauty and at the time when it comes everyone feels good, but it is not loyal. That is the second category. Then comes third category in which loyalty is high but profitability is not there. That are barnacles and these are in the yellow category. And the last best case winning situation, high on profitability, high on loyalty, and they are your true friends. Hope these 4 classes are clear to you. Now let us discuss about all of them in detail. First of all, strangers. You remember in the graph, strangers were low on profitability, low on loyalty. So there is little fit between their offerings, between the company's offering and their requirement. What should be your strategy? Do not invest anything in them. Make money on every transaction. Take example of any relationship or relatives coming to your home. There is little understanding. Once in a year they come. At that time, have some good talk with them, conversation with them, for offer them some good tea, coffee, some snacks. When they leave, whatever gifts they are there, keep with them. You transaction is over. Don't think after that. That is the category of stranger. From marketing perspective, consider a shop which is on a highway. There is someone who is traveling from maybe Delhi to Chandigarh, and on the highway there will be some shops. That person stops, have tea and some snacks at your particular shop. That customer, how much chances that he will come back again? He might come maybe after 4 or 5 years. So do you need to take much care? No, just care about that transaction. In that transaction, offer him what he is asking for, make your profits and forget about him. This is the first case of strangers. Now let's come to the second category. Second category is of butterfly. So butterfly was where? Butterfly was on this second quadrant. Second quadrant means it was high on profitability but low on loyalty. See, butterfly, when we see, butterfly is good to see. It will come to your home, sit on flowers, you also will like, it will fly for some time and then it will go away. Same is the case with this kind of customers. So what you should do, adopt the same strategy which you do for butterfly. At that particular time when butterfly is in your home on the flowers, enjoy, take best use, maybe click some pictures, and after that forget about it. So enjoy for the moment, create profitable transaction, and whatever you can do it that short term, do. After that forget about it. This was the second case of butterfly. Now let's speak about true friends. True friends were in this third quadrant. Third quadrant was high on profitability, high on loyalty. These are your loyal people and giving you good profits. So like in friendship, it is said that you should always take care of your true friends. Here you should take care of your true customers who are loyal to you. You should see how you can engage them, nurture them, grow them. Because if you are not taking care of your true friends, then you cannot progress. Your company will grow only when those true customers are growing along with you. This is the third category. And the last category is known as barnacles. So barnacles was here. What was that? It was that they are high on loyalty but low on profitability. They are loyal to you. Maybe for 10, 15, 20, 30 years they are dealing, but they are not bringing some profits. Best example to study it is a small customer in a bank. That customer opened his account when he was working maybe around 20 years ago. Now he is retired. Every month some pension amount comes. There is no other source of income which is coming. So how much profit will bank make? Very limited. If there is not much capital, bank cannot invest or use it in loan or do anything. So what you should do? You should try that how you can increase the profitability of that particular customer. If that is not possible, don't think about them. In marketing terms, we call it is even better to fire them. Let me tell you another example from infrastructure industry. So if you are into cement business, and in a particular town you started with a particular dealer 20 years back, there were only few homes, little population, that person was selling, okay, maybe around 50-60,000 rupees monthly business he was doing. Now population has multiplied by 5 times, area has grown, new constructions are happening, and still that person is increased only little bit. So what is this? He is loyal to you but not profitable. So what strategy you will adopt? First, try to increase his profitability. Tell him, see, more population is growing, you also increase, you also start more selling. If he's not doing, then better to fire that dealer, open some more dealer who is energetic, who understand business and will give you profitability. It is a very practical approach in marketing. This was the fourth and the last category. Hope you are clear with all those 4 categories which we made. Depending upon profitability and loyalty, let us have a revision. Low on both, stranger. Take benefit of that one transaction, forget it. Next, butterflies. Take maximum profit when it is there with you. After that, no need of investment. Third, true friends. High on both. Engage them, nurture them, help them in their growth, and you will be successful. Fourth, barnacles. Loyal but not profitable. First, try to make them profitable. If no, then leave them. These were the 4 particular customer groups. Friend, hope this is particular categories are clear to you. In case you have any confusion, please write it in our comment section. In the next video, I will discuss about the changing marketing landscape. So over the years, marketing has taken a whole different form. Now it is not just limited to making a TV ad or placing an ad in newspaper or a hoarding. Now marketing has changed altogether. And in the next section, we will understand what have been the recent developments in marketing. Till then, if you have liked our video, then please like it, share it, subscribe our channel Meedu Study, and any feedback please write to us on meedu.study@gmail.com or in the comment section. Take care, have a good day. Thank you friends.